Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a profile in Netflix. So to delete a profile, you should just go to Netflix. And of course, to delete a profile, you should have multiple profiles. So we should create a new profile. We will call it test and save it. So we have to click manage profiles. We go to that new profile, click on it. And after that, scroll down until you find an option called delete profile. Click on it. And after that, click delete again. And that profile will be deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.